Basari. Basari. Yeah. Nina mira ndazowana to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new to this channel, hi and welcome. My name is Delight and I do lifestyle content mostly in the form of vlogs. So if that's your type of vibe, please consider hitting the subscribe button to become a part of the family. And all my returning subbies, the besties, thank you so much for always choosing this home. So today I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay, in this vlog, I think the first part that I showed you, I was dropping off my sisters at boarding school. They are now back in boarding school. So I think we'll probably see them in November when they have their consultation day, and then they close in December. So in Zimbabwe, for all my international subbies, in Zimbabwe, we have 3 terms, 3 school terms. That's what we have. So they were on holiday for August. Then they opened just recently. Then they'll come back in December and then open again in January. So that's why they're back at school. So I think that's what I showed you guys today. I don't know what's the plan for today. I'm just going to take you guys along. If I do anything interesting, then if I don't, then it's fine. I'll just see. So let me just show you what I am wearing. Let me try to show you. I just took a bath. I'm just wearing these wide-legged pants and a black top and a headband in my head. That's all. Nothing fancy, nothing hectic. That's all that I'm wearing. I think this is probably the second or the third time I'm wearing these pants. I don't know why, but it's the second or third time. I love the color. The color is so nice. I just don't like the fit here. And now we'll move on to the next outfit. It's a red shirt. I think this is one of my favorite looks from this one. Oh, it's a red shirt, a black tie, and yeah, I was like, ooh. Hi besties and welcome back to another day in the vlog. So today it's a Thursday. It's the 11th of September. Me and always forgetting dates. It's the 11th of September 2025 and I've just finished shooting for Fashion Friday. So if you're watching this vlog and you haven't watched the Fashion Friday video, please go and watch that video. Engage, comment, like, yeah, because I'm realizing that people watch the vlogs more than the fashion content. I think it's also because YouTube pushes the vlogs more because there are more vlogs than there is fashion content. So I'm just trying to work on that department, work on the fashion content and make sure that there's more content that side. I think the reason why we have few vlogs, a few videos to do with fashion is because taking fashion content is a lot. because if I'm recording on my own, it means that after recording any clip, I have to check and make sure everything is fine. I have to make sure that I'm in frame and everything's looking nice and perfect. Then I also have to try and do my makeup, not do my makeup. It's trying to do my makeup, so it's quite a lot of work. Then I have to arrange the outfits and decide on everything and stuff. So it's a bit tedious, but though I enjoy fashion content, I enjoy fashion content so much. It's a bit tedious, but I enjoy it, so that's why I push through and do it. So I'm just going to try to do this fashion series, and for now I'm doing a series where I'm trying to use wardrobe staples, the staples that you have, like your white t-shirts, your black slacks and stuff. So that's what I'm trying to use. Don't mind the brush. That's what I'm trying to do to make sure that we have more content on that. So I'm just using the staples in your wardrobe to create different outfits. So I was just looking at the people who were passing and they were looking at me. They're just like, this girl. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create content in regards to that. So that's basically it. I don't know if I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. I think I'm just going to make supper, edit the fashion content, and then edit some stuff for TikTok, because I think today I didn't post much on TikTok. So I'm just going to do that, and then I will talk to you guys later. If I don't talk to you guys today, it means I'm going to see you hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, see you. Thank you.